And here is how you would install Opera 64 with the Free for Life VPN. Now, this is the Cinnamon version, but it works the same in Mate 3D. Go to the main menu and simply go on up to Installers. Click on Opera 64-bit version installer. It'll ask for your sudo password. And we are hosting this 52 meg file so that you can get it quickly. Apparently, the popularity of this download is so bad that it takes 5 or 6 hours. So keep that in mind. It does cost us a lot of money to host files. We had to do the same on the Google Earth Pro because otherwise you'd end up getting the wrong file if you tried to do it yourself. Um, and they don't make it easy for anybody to get access to where it is, the Pro version that is. So now you've got your Opera 64-bit version installed, and you just go over to Internet and click it once. And in my case, I've set the background to whatever wallpaper I want. It could be whatever you want. Notice you can add sites. They call that speed dialing. In Firefox, that would be tab browsing. But anyway, so the very easy way to set up your VPN, go to settings here on the bottom left and go to privacy and security here down the left side. And with one click, you turn on your VPN and you can see it's on. And with one click, it turns it off. It really doesn't get any easier than that. This is really a very fast browser. And they do have mobile browsers as well, and even a mini Opera, and it's got it's pretty much it's fully loaded. It's very competitive when compared to Chrome and Firefox. So there you have it. It's that easy.